Hi guys, I'm Alex Guerra with SWD Urethane, and today I'd like to introduce you to this spray foam rig, EXP2, and this is what we'll be demonstrating a flushing procedure on. First things first, you want to make sure you have your personal protective equipment. Today I have gloves and safety glasses. On this rig, it's a bit different setup than you guys are typically used to because we are inside the R&D lab of SWD. Here we have two drums. We have the A side and we have the B side. The A side is an isocyanate, and then the B side is a mixture of chemicals, and the machine proportions equal amounts of both chemicals to the spray gun, and that's what makes spray foam. We will be switching from closed cell to open cell. So step one is going to be remove the gun from the hose. Next step, you'll want to disconnect the air from your transfer pump. Next step, you'll want to close the ball valve near the Y strainer. You'll want to remove the transfer pump, and while you're removing it, you want to make sure you're wiping off any excess chemical. Next, you'll want to grab a bucket of clean water and just simply place the pump in there. You can connect the air, and you can open the valve, and then you'll come to the hose and you'll open the B side. Once you have that open, the transfer pump will start to pump the water through the machine, through the hose, and clearing all the old material. Another step you can also do is add water to the top of the shaft here. Ensuring that all the chemical is flushed out of there. Once you have the valve open to the hose, you can come to the machine and you'll put it in jog mode. And now the machine will run just the B side, pushing that water through the machine, clearing the chemical. Once you see water fully coming out the hose, you can close the valve, and then you can turn off jog mode. And then you can remove pump from the water, giving it a good wipe down. Now you can place it into the new drum. You can reconnect the air. And now you can open the ball valve. Make sure to close the old drum. So now we will flush the water out with the new chemical we want to spray. The valve to the hose. We'll turn on jog mode. And now you just keep an eye out and wait for the new chemical to come out the end of the hose. So now you'll see we have a steady flow of our new chemical. Now we can close the valve. We can turn off jog mode. We have finished the flushing procedure now. Now we can reconnect the gun. Now you are ready to spray.